Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A cry of injustice and an urgent appeal for help from vendors in downtown Kingston this evening. This after they say the police continue to target them even after they have paid a $1,000 fee to sell in designated zones for the Christmas season. Kelisha Williams was in the area and now reports.
It's the last Friday before Christmas, but it looks like a regular business day in the downtown Kingston shopping district, which is usually packed this time of year.
I look there, I'm not even make no money yet. I don't have $700. And I'm from morning out, yeah. But that's I walk all over the place. And nothing now going.
In fact, it appeared as if there were more vendors than buyers.
It's rough, bad.
But even as the vendors struggle to boost their flagging sales, that's not even their main concern. If you take a closer look, you would realize that the vendors here are selling mostly fruits and vegetables in an area designated for buses. The vendors told us they were given the green light to sell here, but here's the problem.
We have to run up and down on the street and that no fear, that no fear. Them collect thousands of pounds to sell, that no fear for we run up and down on the street. Them collect for we, then collect for we and stop make we run up and down on the street.
Some of the vendors who did not wish to appear on camera told us they were charged $1,000 to sell for 1 week, after which they have to renew the payment. One woman explained that the problem usually comes in if they can't present the receipt to the municipal police. Others told us they did not get a receipt in the first place.
Come on, Andrew, if you're looking at yourself and say your dog giving a Christmas and the Christmas don't fearful because you can't have send out match up and we are look Christmas to our people them.
While on location, we noticed several police officers walking around with the books. However, they did not approach the vendors. We also visited the KSAMC to get a response. However, we were unsuccessful. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.